How to set up Hey Google on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you need to click on Google. Make sure you have an account here, then click on All Services. After you click on All Services, scroll down in here. You'll find Search Assistant and Voice. Click on Search Assistant and Voice. Then you'll find Google Assistant. Click on it. In here, scroll down and click on Assistant, Voice and Sounds. Select which assistant voice you want, and then if you scroll down, you'll find all these options here. Click on Lock Screen, and then use Google Assistant without unlocking your phone. Yes, I am in. And turn this on. After you turn this on, make sure you go to Hey Google and Voice Match and turn on Hey Google. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to set up Hey Google on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.